Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to delete empty rows in Excel at once. So let's start this in my Excel, and here you can see I have a data. So in this data there are some empty rows available. So here I'm going to delete all empty rows at once. So let's start. Simply select the entire data. Okay. Then use the Control G, the shortcut key, to open the Go To dialog box. And here the Go To dialog box is open. Then click on the spatial option, then click on the blanks option, and after that just click on OK. And here you see all empty rows here selected. Okay. So to delete the empty rows, simply select the Control minus key, and here the delete dialog box is open. And here I select here shift cell up. So the selected cell when deleted, the below cell will shift up. Okay. So I just select the second option and click on the OK, and that's it. You can see here the row is deleted. Okay. Empty row is deleted at once. So hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe. Thank you so much.